And welcome to another show on the road, dear viewer. And here we are, we have the first one. Obviously the road is too narrow. If it makes you feel any better, Stefan, you're also very confused. And dear viewer, welcome to my personal favorite. This one is called Family Reunion, a little bit of a chit chat. I'm also in this video, but you cannot see me because I'm in a back seat. And if you pay attention, you will also see a street phantom. Take a look. Did you notice him? Stefan's dad did. And he's asking some very big questions.
Voliš motor, ja?
Da.
Honda.
A ti snimaš?
A snimam ne pod cela.
Na YouTube, ja?
Na YouTube.
Kako se zoveš na YouTube?
Stefi motor.
Baš.
And when you're driving, pedestrians can be unpredictable, so it's always better to stop and see what's gonna happen. And then just have a small laugh. And to whoever is watching this, nobody, and I mean nobody, could prepare you for this conversation.
Ovo ga pozori.
Ma jebem Bruce,
Ovo
to je Englez.
je
Svaki dan divljaju te.
divlji, a?
And whenever Stefan sees another two-wheeler, it's a chit-chat time.
Ide li to čudovat, a?
Ide, dobro, 45 na sat.
To je sasvim dovoljno.
Pol grad završava работу.
A lepo izgleda taj display. Koliko para to košta?
950.
And this one is just to keep you alerted, you know. No blinker, forbidden direction. You know, what is it? Just a piece of cake. And Stefan, I would call you lucky this time because right here, you dodged the bullet.
I kako ja tamo da vozim sad?
And dear viewer, in the previous compilation, you saw that when it's rainy, it's very possible you will need to avoid the white lines. But also, here you see it's possible you will just need to avoid the entire street. So have a nice ride on a rainy niche. And we know a lot of drivers are in a hurry, but we also want to remind you that it's very important and very nice to just let the pedestrians go through safely. Thank you! And theoretically, roundabouts are a very nice thing, very safe thing, but in Serbia, you just need to expect the unexpected. Stay alerted! And while watching this new encounter, please keep in mind, if you're loving bikes, then that makes you a part of a very big and very loving community.
Svaki dan se može iskoristiti.
That means, if you need new friends, we are here.
Kad je tu motor svaki dan.
Ja sam zapalio u banju topilo sam.
Stvarno,
Da, bilo.
Stefan radi.
Well, Stefan, that was another close call with water. Hope you are rainproof. And dear viewer, I have no idea how does Stefan see the smoke from all the phone visuals he's having, but very impressive skills, Stefan. Keep it on.
Kak se dimi nešto?
Pa ne radi protokomer.
Ja vidim.
Za to, inače ne dimi, bio sam kod majstora.
A da, kada si založio?
And that brings us to the end of this video. So make sure that you are enjoying your rides, that you are meeting new people, and of course, sharing, liking, subscribing, and commenting on our channel. See you in the next one. Bye!
Brate, jesi zadovoljan s taj motor?
Brate, evo 750 km skoro sam ga uzeo. Da ti kažem, kako pričaju Kineza, ovo.
Ja sam prodao 525. Odlično, odlično.